Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix a 403 forbidden error in Chrome. So let's get into it. Number 1. Refresh the page. Refreshing the page is always worth a shot. Many times, the 403 error is temporary and a simple refresh might do the trick. It doesn't fix the problem very often, but it takes just a second to try. Number 2. Double check the address. The most common reason for a 403 error is a mistyped URL. Make sure that the address you are trying to access is for a web page or file, not a directory. Number 3. Clear browser cache. It's also possible that the page with the error has been cached in your browser, but the actual link was changed on the website. To test out this possibility, you'll have to clear your browser cache and cookies. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.